Hi, this is a little shoot for all the ones out there thinking their Antec water cooling system making a little bit too much noise. Mine did also, or does right at this moment, but I think I found a fix for it. As you can hear, it makes a little rattling noise. What I did was just take a magnet, a small one like this, wrapped it in tape so it won't short circuit if I drop it inside the case, like this. And then I just stuck on some bigger tape, and now I'm gonna find a nice spot to tape it to the pump on the Antec cooling system. And when I find the right place, it will go quiet. I just try to stick it in. I just try some places, and then I found the spot where it makes no noise. I just stick it there and leave it there, because now it's dead quiet. As you can hear if I put the camera closer, I have no rattling noise whatsoever. I think it's quite free risk to try this little tweak, because I've been running like this for a month now and no problem. You have lots of other magnets inside your case too. Why not add one extra? Hope I can help someone with this.